Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 2018 Mini Countryman, fully loaded, black alley wheels, British Racing green, privacy glass, rear parking sensors, opening panoramic roof. It's a Cooper S. Keyless entry, keyless starting, half leather seats, with that's the opening panoramic roof. Here you have your glove box here. You can change the colour of these lights actually, whatever you want, what colour you want really. Isofix rear seats. Power outlet at the back there, 4 electric windows, huge boot. It's still got this plastic on, they've not actually taken it off, so it shows it's still in good condition. Nice storage area there. Four electric folding mirrors as well. Height adjustable driver's seat. These bits will come out if you wish. Automatic lights. Yeah, auto wipers. Now to start the vehicle, put your foot on the brake and you push this. When you put your foot on the brake, this lights up. Starts the vehicle. Automatic. This is your handbrake here. Pocket here, this armrest, there's a pocket as well. So this will, you can close this. This has blinds, it has one here as well that you can shut. So you can shut the blind if you wish. Tilts or slides the roof. Rear parking sensors, as you can see. This is not flickering, it's the camera that's making it do it actually. Heated seats as well. Heated seats. This is your different drive modes here, sport. Different settings. Dual climate as well. Tiptronic, you used to drive Tiptronically. Say auto wipers. Vehicle's done 12,558 miles. Touchscreen. Navigation map, sat nav. Different settings there you can have when you're connected. This is your My Mini, all different profiles and things you can put in here. Telephone, notifications, music, DAB radio as well. This is your anti-collision warning. It'll brake basically when you're going slow, actually up to about 19 miles an hour I believe. Cruise control, speed limiter here. Multi-function steering wheel, voice activation here, USB here, power outlet here, You can change the colour of this. These lights, you can change the colour, which is the ambient lighting, which is around the doors there. Just turn the vehicle off. Push that. That turns the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please give us a call.